Welcome to this LiteMap tutorial for T891, Making Environmental Decisions module. LiteMap is a tool we'd like you to use to create, collect and connect online notes of your module material. In this video we will show you LiteMap, how it works and how it can be useful to you while taking this module. So let's start by going to the LiteMap website. First thing you'll need to do is sign up to the site. Complete the form or use social sign-in, and then you'll be sent an email to complete your registration. When you get your registration email, come back to the site and log in. Now locate your group T89117K. You'll need to request to join the group before you can put maps in it, so click the request to join and wait for the email to be sent to you to say you have been admitted to the group. The last thing you'll need to do is install the LiteMap Toolbar. Go to the home page, click on the LiteMap Toolbar link and then drag and drop the link in the Toolbar page up to your Shortcuts menu. Now let's give you a bit of context. The T891 module is organised in blocks, sections, activities and assignments. Assignments often require you to refer to and interpret information you have read in various sections of the module and that are scattered all across the module in different web pages. LiteMap can help you with online note-taking. You can use the bookmarklet to create side notes in any web page of your module, including the discussion sections and forum, which often contain your contributions to the activities. For instance, let's say you started reading Block 1. You can make an annotation by clicking on the bookmarklet to open the LiteMap toolbar. This consists of 5 note types. Let's say you want to make a general note. You can select the text and then click on the icon on the toolbar. This will bring up the Add Note form. Give your note a title. It will already have filled in for you a link to that part of the page and the text you've selected into the description box. Edit the summary and description as you feel like, and once you've completed filling in the form, press the Save button. You'll be returned to your original page and you'll see that a small icon has appeared to represent your note. You can roll over that icon and then go and explore your note on the LiteMap website. But before we do that, let's just make another annotation. Let's annotate 1.2, Introducing Decision Making. We select the text, we open the toolbar, we click the icon for the type of note we want to make, and then we fill in the form again as before, and we save our note. Now you'll see an icon has appeared, and here you'll see somebody has already annotated one of the activities. So let's look at annotating an activity. So let's go to an activity and open up a discussion section. You select the text in the same way as before, and then open the toolbar and click on, for example, a solution. And here again you get the form that you can enter the summary and the description text that you want for that note. And then you can click Save. And here in the page you'll see you have an icon for it. Another thing that LiteMap can help you with is collating all your contributed activities in one place. In the module there are several activities that are often key for the assignments, but at the end of the block there is no straightforward way to revisit the activities, explore answers to the activities and collect all the answers you have given in one place. So let's try to do this now. Let's go to our group and create a new map for block 1. Because lots of people will be doing the same thing, remember to name your map with your own name at the end so you can find it. You can make the map public or private, and private means it can't be seen outside of the group. When you press Save, it will open the map for you automatically. You can now see on the left all the notes you've taken, and we can start to build a map with them. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping them from the left-hand side onto the page where you want to put them in the map. And you can zoom in and out of the map as required. Let's drop all 3 sections onto the map. Once we have all the sections in the map, we can link them together by right-clicking and dragging and dropping between the node we want to link from to the node we want to link to. Let's now link in the activities and connect them in the same way. If I do this for all the activities in the module, I will have a map of the whole module where I can access all my answers to the activities. A final thing to look at is that LiteMap can allow others to provide you with feedback on your activities and reading material. If there is something that you don't understand or you'd like clarification on, you can make a question annotation in the page. So let's find something we're not sure about, select it, and then open the toolbar. This time, select the question icon. This will open the form again and let you type in your question. Make sure you start your question with "For T891 Community." This will make it easier for other people to find your questions and get back to you with their response. So when you save your question, the icon appears in the web page as usual. Any other students coming to this web page and opening the toolbar will have your questions as well as theirs highlighted in the page, so that's one way people can discover your questions. But they can also do it from the website by typing the phrase "For T891" into the search box and running the search. Within the Issues section of the search results, you'll see all the questions that have that at the beginning, and you can then click on any one of those questions to go to that question's home page. From the question home page, you can locate the URL and then find the context that the question was made in by opening the toolbar on the link it goes to. But more importantly, on the question homepage you can access the chats area where you can put a response to someone's question. And a question can have many responses, and people can reply to your responses, thereby forming a dialogue. If at any point you want to see all your questions, you can go to the My LiteMap area, click on My Data tab and select My Issues. And this will list all the question notes that you've taken. Selecting a question will then take you to the question homepage, where you can of course get back to the context it has within the course where you took that note. By clicking on the link, it will take you to the page you took the note in, and then just open the toolbar and you'll see it highlighted for you. And of course from the question homepage you can also see if anybody's responded to your question by going to the chat section. So to summarise, LiteMap can help you in this module in three main ways: by providing a tool for online note-taking, by providing a space to collect, visually organise and explore all your notes and activities before the assignment, and by enabling in-context support by others. Of course, this movie has only given a brief introduction to the many features available within LiteMap. For more detailed information, go to the LiteMap help page. There you will find a series of movies with more details about the features. We hope that we have motivated you to try this tool in the T891 module. Thank you very much for watching, and to get started, go to litemap.net.